So today we are making quesadillas for supper, and then I think we're going to go on a walk on a trail, which should be super fun. We are going to go to a park that's about 7 minutes away and see what it looks like. There should be some hiking trail there, some water, so a nice after dinner walk. There you are. Boop. The entrance to the nature area. We are going to enjoy a nice walk. It's actually getting cooler, which is nice. It was like 97 degrees with humidity. So this is where little creek bed is. So here we are in this nature area. It's really pretty. Looks like a pretty nice sized park too. So we are going to pick this slip, and it says, race toy cars in the hallway. So what toy cars do you want to race?
Go.
Let's go find a car.
Oh, that's a good one.
Okay.
This car?
Now this car. Ready, get set, go!
I'll do these two at the same time. Let's see which one gets there first. Ready, set, go! The truck! Today was a very busy day. We slept in a little bit this morning, did church, and then did a lot of cleaning all day. But we did get to take a hike at one of the local parks, which was really good. But overall, good day. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day as well, and I will see you tomorrow.